I like old computer stuff. No, not that kind of old computer stuff. Anything pre-core sucks monkey nuts to use, no, but I'm talking about old peripherals, such as this Microsoft Internet Keyboard Pro I mended to health about a month ago. Similarly, I was browsing on eBay today and I found an unreasonably cheap listing for a Microsoft Natural Keyboard with a quite curious stain on it.
Man, I wonder what that's from.
Now, normally I would let you know how long it would take to ship and the recording and wait until it arrives, but it seems to just be floating in my room like a Minecraft dirt block. Any assistance would be appreciated.
Why is this fucking box so big? Okay, before that, I want to do a speed test on this keyboard. 101, pretty good. I'm also standing up, so I'd be a little bit slower than normal. Back to the box. Hello, boy. We have the keyboard. Honestly, not as dirty as I thought from the exterior. Holy, that is a well-fed Windows key. Just wants to go. There's something holding it in there. There's no screws or anything. Wait, what if there is? No. Why? Why did you do that? We're free. Oh, this thing is fucking disgusting. Why is it built like that? Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh boy. Oh my fucking god. Why is it built like that? Why is the spacebar on its own frame? I gotta wipe off my desk. Hold on. Clean workspace. First thing I think I should tackle is... No. We'll save that for last. I think this creature first. Now, I got a couple solutions in mind here. So we have the boy, and then we have the solution. Oh, how is it dirty on the inside? How the fuck did this thing get glitter in it? Microsoft, what the fuck is this? Why is there so much dirt in it? Well, there go my USB ports. I use those anyways. So, what was that crack that I heard? I'm just gonna ignore it. Oh my god. What the fuck? I have the rag. Carefully spin your teeth in circles to clean them, because I'm probably not gonna take this whole piece apart. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm taking this whole piece apart. Oh, it's so disgusting. I feel like this key deserves a stabilizer. What the fuck is a circle doing in here? Oh, that's fucking disgusting. Oh my god. Goodbye. Goodbye. And finally, escape. Goodbye. Oh my fucking god, this thing is disgusting. Alright, air compressor time. I can report that my air compressor is not good enough quality. Now I have two ideas. Number one is Old Faithful. You know, that worked okay. It only had a little bit of debris left, but, you know, I have a better idea. Ain't that the ticket, huh? Well, not really. I have some more crevices. Ew, hold on. It is also time for this boy to dry. Now it's time to deal with the issue at hand. Oh boy, the keys. I have a bowl. We are going to pour all the keys into this bowl. Perfect. I have since drowned them. It is time to in the hot. It is time to reapply the keys. Boom. Closing bracket. Oh. Final key. F10. I did it. I finally put in every single key. Wait a minute. I think there are some missing. There's a reason. We have stabs. All these boys will get shipped off. I got that old WD. We're almost done. Just one piece left. What the fuck? Where did my alt key go? I found it. We're back. It's time for a speed test. Untrained on this new keyboard. Oh boy.